wow. Cheers, brothers. Yeah, hey, it's nice. Damn. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today it's day one in San Francisco, and bro, pulled up to this famous spot. You Golden Gate Bridge over there, and then the spot's literally just here, bro. Super sick spot. I'm here for about 2 to 3 weeks, and then I hopefully will fly out to Chicago for the street jam. So I'm gonna switch up to the GoPro, get a few clips in, and then head to the next spot. Bro, look at that view. That is crazy. Bro, you got the beautiful Golden Gate bridges, nice beaches, and then you got heaps of spots here. It's honestly the dreamland spot, but there's one bank here, there's another over there, and there's a few more over there. So I'm gonna take you guys around the spot and drop in here. Oh, all right, take two. True God. That was definitely unexpected, bro. Oh my God. Yeah, dude. Oh my God. Dude, my hands are all messed up too. Alright. It's not that hard. Come on. Oh. Oh. Oh.
That's not poison though.
Is it?
That's not, that stuff itches like hell.
True, I don't know if I touched it or not.
Yeah, it's all right there. Sprinkled in.
Is it poison?
Yeah,
well,
how you doing, buddy? You enjoying your
Hey, sorry.
Sounds pretty chunk.
Oh,
Yo.
wow.
Bro. Grab your bag.
Cheers. Oh. Oh. Dude, that's so sick. Oh, hey guys. I think we're pretty much done for this spot. I'll see you guys at the next spot. Oh, wow. Oh, let's go. Oh. Woo. Oh, dude, this is so sick. Keep going?
Yeah.
Yeah. Woo. Yeah. Right, that was sick, bro. you reckon?
It's a little sketch. You probably get right up the yellow, and then you can grind down.
Oh, down it, yeah. So is that normally like a water fountain or something?
You can if you want.
Just for 2 secs. On my scoot. This and sure.
Alright, I'll hold it now for you.
Yeah, right. Oh. Now. Oh. It's like hard to ride, eh? Oh. I think we need to get out. That's so sick.
Going over to the black people area, right?
Yeah.
But I gotta get connected in Chinatown.
Oh, okay.
Ain't no problem. Let's do that.
Yeah, right. Take it easy, brother.
Have a good one, man.
He's keen. Oh! 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 Damn. Oh, he's... Oh,
A playground.
what's up?
This area is not a playground. You must
Oh!
leave or we'll have the lawn. It's not a playground. Not for you.
Oh, okay.
It's a business area. You must leave or we'll have the lawn here on this.
All right, we'll leave. Thank you. Oh my god. Oh, I know. This is...
You gotta.
Wait, hold on. Alright, let go.
Get rid of this bolt.
probably the most famous spot in San Francisco. Oh. Dude, look at that drop down there.
They have like